Hi friends, it's Joy with Wearable Geology. Thank you for joining me today. Are you trying to manifest money into your life? Are you trying to build a life of prosperity? Well, I have a crystal that'll help aid with that. And here it is. Beautiful citrine. Citrine is known as the prosperity stone. So, without further delay, let's get inside the studio and start making this gorgeous ring. Here's my citrine cluster. And the little piece came from the side here. I wonder if I could even fit it back on. Anyway, that was the little gift, and I'm so grateful to this beautiful citrine. I've had this for a long time. Anyway, let's make that special ring. Here's a beautiful little citrine point that we're going to be using. Incredibly cute little stone. Citrine is the merchant stone. So if you are looking to, I don't know, like increase your wealth, citrine is known as a stone that will help you increase your wealth. All right. So we're going to be using, this is 4 gauge copper, and this is going to be the base around the wires. Now, I may change, I'm not exactly sure, I'm going to try something different. This is 21 inches of square copper, and we are going to see if I can wrap it without them getting, like if it can stay flush like that, nice, and if I can wrap the wire around it without it getting all twisted, then we're going to stick with that. If not, I will have to practice with copper wire and teach myself for a little bit longer. You know what I mean? Get the feel for it down. Anyway, let's get to straightening these wires and making a really cool ring for a customer. So look at this ring. It's going to be a size 6.5. And the citrine is roughly 5 millimeters thick. So that's how it's going to go right there. Kind of like that. Excuse my hands, they're all getting all gross from the wire. Oh yeah, if you haven't worked with wire before and you're starting out, your hands get really gross. So let's finish this up. Another update, here's the base, and I have this really beautiful idea. I'm just going to put it on here quickly. I'm not going to, but that's how it's going to sit. yeah, I have vision in here and it's really pretty. So we're gonna go with that vision. So wish me luck, guys. I think it's gonna come out really nice. It's gonna come out beautiful, actually. Ooh, look at how it sparkles. Sparklies! This one wants to go to its owner. So here we are. This ring came out absolutely fabulous. Size 6.5. So far, I think it's my best ring. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. My name is Joy. This is Wearable Geology. I'm dedicated to weekly videos giving you descriptions and the metaphysical properties of beautiful gemstone crystals. They are a passion of mine, which I'm sure they're a passion of others. Please leave a comment below. Let me know your crystal stories. I'm interested to know. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to build a community of crystal-loving people. Anyway, guys, I am offering a, what is it, 25%? Yeah, 25% off discount on all my rings at my website at wearablegeology.com. You can check the link down below. Will be active to go straight to my website. If you guys want to check out my Instagram handle's down below too. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you again next week. This one is a custom piece. I think I said that earlier. Anyway, guys, this is really going to transform her life. I love it. Thanks for watching. Take care.